Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya felicitates the world champion arm wrestling. HNYM held drugs awareness program at Mount St. Village, Ripoy. KSU urged the government to upgrade Sora Government College. And Hamlet Darling inaugurates the Yingdor Barrage of Himam League. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association, MAWA, along with the Sports Department of the Government of Meghalaya, will be facilitating the world champion of arm wrestling who represented the state in Turkey on October 26. Speaking to the media persons on the 25th of October, the president of Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association, Junstar Kharbuli, informed that the facilitation of these world arm wrestling champions and facilitated Margaret Pathau, Angel Mary Milliam Umlong, Alexander Lingdor, and 7 other participants at Turkey. The facilitation program will begin from Guwahati, Nongpo, Lat Umsning, Umyam, and concluded at State Convention, Shillong.
Lombakan kod ke program lah dengan kod dekat Western di RBJ Sibji hapo halat umsning si Western kada even hapo umsning nanta lai baji hapo viewpoint dalam site nanta sau baji kada even sedang baik hangni hapo State Central ke bangitip usus tam hall
Long habat
hall
hablong keluar maupun
kasi menikong hing jia dan kai di takajing lela menjong pat di ni semua ben pelpau kajing leker pang sports department ya kaba ni gade kesien menikong berkati menikong hidup bakal yarap yang ni akajing lut jiksep kaba kampun berkajing yarap bakulut mesin ke sports department nilai yo pat bentaban yo unuso mapen sutran mapen kemen ya ngiki nong lekai amsling ya kekeluan bagi kacak pendiri berakwe.
The Nyothrap National Youth Movement HNYM on the 25th October organized the awareness program to the students of St. Joseph Secondary School Maubsen and St. Khasi School Maubsen on the effect of drugs, alcohol and ganja at the Maubsen village, Raj Madan Kirdem, Ripoy district. Speaking on this awareness program, the in charge of Primary Health Centre, Madan Kirdem, officer in charge, Kapmara Police Station, Dr. S. Raplang, Program Officer of World Vision, Maubsen Village Executive Member, TC Sten, shared their thoughts and ideas on the effect of drugs and other types of addiction like alcohol and ganja. Principal of St. Joseph Secondary School Maubsen, Principal of St. Khasi School Maubsen, leaders of HNYM, youths and students participated in this program.
World Vision Ripoy LP. Ti kumba isay la batay mene yung kat naman na penjong ki pitep kai kata ka drug abuse. Ma? Rakti kat naman ki batep sa kata ka drug abuse. Rakti. Kini sakman open aim right to survival. Ma? POE mo kumba ki beliau dan sudah seperti bawa lagi kelung ki badang kena ni. O kami pun pakadang pun kami ma menyui lai jong ikut namar ba asap nyap nanak po tinri mapi bade piyo ban sim bentah me ha ka bangi rakhe ya kata ka hok right to participation kata ka hok ban sim bentah namar ba piyo badin kong ka hok ban em hadin kawan ka hok ban sim bentah nang ta padi ka hok jongga ban roy ban par kumba mapi ba ro hne pia thong ke uniform ma piyo ban school piyo ban kulit thi kata ka di ka hok ban roy ban par da ka piyo e ka jingnang jingstan.
The Khasi Students' Union from Sora and Shilla constituency on the 25th October met with the State Education Minister Lakmin Rumbui on the upgradation of the Sora Government College that was to include the Commerce and Science stream to both the college and the high secondary schools in this area. Speaking with the president of KSU, Ribok Dingdo, he informed that in this area, only St. John and Ramakrishna Mission has included the Science and Commerce stream in the high secondary school. And students who had completed with the secondary school have to go outside Sora in order to pursue higher education. As for now, Sora Government College has only Bachelor of Arts added Dingdo.
Henry higher secondary school kalau pada gunatan so aduh kata-kata nomor ba teng-teng kikmi kipa kiwan kalau nging kalau sen go baduk tu bambe go beri nomor kala jenjar bakala jengai ba na duna ka Shillong kinki watan hangni hamong jurong bakidon kini ki Tirot Singh badai higher secondary school bakujur uspo Sora ro kla simportan ni makarasyo bakali kali kasi merukong bakali yang juni yang berpersang ban move ahead ban ya cekmat ya kani ka jingterwa na kali yang juni habire kita kan asno baraga juga por ni determin scam ru banagal yang jom education minister la aya ka yesi ya ka kentin jong i galong ka scam nomor ba iong bang kwa ba ka kam ga sawa kam jam na ni kentin ilang bang itmu ya ka building ru bang kong ako Sora ko gwen may pendep bay ha o sneb banwan jong o inay bang kong te ha ka juga por ni ru determin scam ni kata nomor ba andaladet ka building ni lama ru banbu ya kata ka BSc na ni ka bikom na ni nagalian ka sarkar ka ipit kan bu sunan ni kita kisayang ka pamasuk ha biya kita ki higher secondary.
The Minister of St. Adi Block, Hamlet Sin Darling, and the Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Titos W. Khan, on October 25th inaugurated the Ying Darbar Raj of Hima Millim at the market of the Millim Rim. In the presence of the acting CM, Paim Aina Manik CM, the elders of the Hima Millim, headmen and the residents of this village.
Ben công bắt mình ra là dành bên thì bạn thấy chúng có buồn không cái này cái gì đột phá các bạn gặp beli là sini kalau lu ada cakap trong kata kayu kepenting kong trong kayu liam betul bạn kepada lu lah kejong ke kanan bạn kepada lu lah kejong diam ni snow comment pa maneng na yo snow in history jong kanika right jadi jingle diam dan kop bat kham tam ka ba kham ban so kanak ini kelompa udo uskim jong kahima beliam hadir bawa syajid kum uskim berpuran ka kamran ka baningko ka
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.